Oshawa. What? Hang on. What? What do you know about Oshawa? That's what I want to know right now. Hey!
Wagwan viewers.
Welcome back to our channel.
Forward in.
For those of you that don't know, I'm Jen.
And I'm Jules.
And he's Julius.
Julius, it's the same thing. You know, I'm like.
So, for those of you that have been like on our channel and subscribe to our channel, challenges are not new to us and we love doing them. So we are back with another challenge.
Oh yeah?
The 7-second challenge. He has his like list of
questions or tasks or whatever it is.
He has his list of tasks. I have my list of tasks. We both have 7 seconds to
do
complete.
it, answer, or complete it, whatever it is.
And whatever he asked me to do, whatever I asked him to do, we have 7 seconds to complete the challenge.
Only 7 seconds.
But before we jump into the challenge, Julius has something that he wants to say to you guys.
Yeah. First and foremost, I want to say thanks to everyone that has subscribed to our channel. We're celebrating 200K.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
200K.
We're
we're celebrating 200 subscribers, and that means a lot to us.
Like
you know
a lot.
I mean? It means a lot to us. It might seem small, but it's a stepping stone, and you know what I mean? I appreciate it so much. So
we appreciate it so much.
Sorry, we appreciate it so much. So thank you guys so much. Like, really, we appreciate it.
From the bottom of our hearts. Like, we're humble.
From the bottom of our heart.
We are such humble people, and it doesn't matter if it's like a big win, a small win. Like, we celebrate like every single blessing in our lives. So thank you guys so much.
Yeah, we do. Chop, chop.
Chop, chop. And now we're gonna jump right into it.
All right, yeah. So we're gonna let she start first because she was so prompt about this challenge. So I want her to start first so I can see what she has in store, you know? And then I'm just gonna like, bam, and surprise her.
Work.
We're gonna work?
Work.
I'm tired. I just came from work. No more working.
All right, should I start off easy or should I start
It's
off
up to
hard?
you, whatever you want to do. If you want to go easy, you want to go hard.
All right, name 5 animals that start with the letter D.
All right, 5 animals. Deer,
3,
donkey,
2, 1.
dove.
I know.
Name the other 2. See? You see? All right, that's okay.
That's not my question though.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That was a good one. All right. So she'll have to do this for 7 seconds. Okay? Where's my time?
7 seconds? What do I have to do for 7 seconds?
7 seconds, right? You need to beatbox to a song that you like for 7 seconds.
Okay, but before wait a second, before the clock ticks.
Well, I'm gonna start it right now.
Hang on, before the clock ticks.
She needs to beatbox to a song that she likes for 7
Hang on a
seconds.
second, before it starts.
What?
He's been trying to get me to beatbox since
I know this we're gonna get you.
I'm from Scarborough. And I can beatbox.
Oh, she can beatbox? Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Alright, so your 7 seconds starts.
Hang on,
1, 2, 3, go. Alright, that's 7 seconds right there. You want to continue? We should have let her continue a little bit, eh? Hey. Hey. She told me she might not have it. We can't be box around. I don't know. Crap.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Name 5 Vibes Cartel songs.
Vibes Cartel song. There's a oh my god. This is so hard but easy at the same time. Like it is.
Wait a second.
Because I know the songs. Listen, no, tapping nice. It doesn't say work. You can't just start this song. You understand me? Listen what I go on though. I have to explain to them before you start the time. The Vibes Cartel have so many good songs, right? I remember the song, but the title of the song is always messing me up. Alright. Start me 7 seconds. Me go try this.
Go.
Fever, electric, drone them, summertime, clocks. Come on.
You get it.
Come on.
You get
Come
it.
on.
You
Come
get
on.
that,
Alright,
baby.
my turn. Alright, should I go easier or should I go hard? Listen, I always go hard. I always go hard. Here we go. You need to cry like a baby for 7 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Start. Shut up. What the hell was that? What? Listen, what baby was that? Big baby? That's no baby. That's no baby. Baby go.
It's our baby. That's what he sounds like.
JJ doesn't sound like.
When he's teething, he sounds like that.
That's no baby. Like that's no baby, guys. Listen, that's a big ass grown woman. That's a big ass grown woman.
I can't right now. I can't.
What was that?
Oh my god.
Alright, go ahead.
You dummy.
Go ahead. You called me a dummy because you can't cry like a baby.
Say cock-a-doodle-doo 7 times.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, 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 cock-a-doodle-doo. Talking about. I got this.
You got that. Go.
When the cock-a-doodle-doo.
Bring it.
My turn?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna make this very easy. Turn around.
Oh
Now, she has to bite your tongue.
What?
Bite your tongue, right? And she has to recite A to Z in 7 seconds. Wait. Come, bite your tongue. Here we go.
No, we're
Bite your tongue, bite your tongue, bite your tongue.
A-B-C-E-F-T.
Come. Yeah. Your 7 seconds done. Come. I'm gonna give her a retry because I really want to hear this one. She's laughing too much. Come on,
I can't.
Alright, guys, we're gonna give her a retry.
I don't know where he came up with it.
We're gonna give her a retry, okay? Because I really want to hear what she's gonna do this one. So
but
she
hang on. I can do it, but you can't see my face.
What?
Yeah.
No, of course. No, the point is they have to see what you're doing it, right? So
it doesn't say that though.
Well, this is the rule I'm making up as we go.
He's making rules as we go. I don't
exactly. That's how it goes, right? All right. So she has to bite her tongue and recite A to Z. Wait, no, don't practice. No practice.
I can do it.
No practicing, right? But she has to do it in 7 seconds. That's the challenge.
Start the clock, baby.
All right. Your 7 seconds starts now. She stopped at what? Another feet. Oh my god.
Babe.
Right.
Oh, you're in trouble. I'm gonna get you.
I knew I got this.
Oh my god.
I got this.
Spell your name backwards.
Spell my name backwards?
Yeah, you can't think about it. Go.
S-O-U.
No.
I-L-L-U-J. It's 7 seconds.
Alright, hit me, baby.
I can't even spell my own name backwards. Alright, no problem. Here we go. You have 7 seconds to invent a new word and describe it. Meaning, define it, like the meaning of the word. Your 7 seconds starts now.
Califer. It's a mix of Jennifer and Kelly, which is my first name and my BFF's first name.
Yeah, that's
my BFF's first name is Kelly. Jennifer and Kelly is Kellifer.
Wait, it's already 16 seconds.
Stop!
It's
Stop.
already
No,
16 seconds, guys. I'm trying to listen to her. I want her to define the word, but she's explaining.
You're not giving me enough time.
It's called a 7-second
let's
challenge.
do it over.
You started it, not Marv. No, we're not starting over.
We're doing it over.
No, it's your turn. We're not doing it over.
Lick the tip of your elbow.
What?
Yeah, you heard.
I have on my sweater.
I don't care. Take off your sweater.
All right, I have
You're still not gonna be able to do it.
7 seconds to do it?
Yeah.
All right, my 7 seconds starts now?
Yep.
Who the hell's the... I can't.
That's what I thought.
I can't wait.
That's what I thought.
Listen.
Come now.
No looking of yourself. Alright, my turn. Here we go. So, you have 7 seconds to repeat. She sells
He can't even say. She sells seashells by the seashore.
I'm not gonna give you that one because you know.
No. She sells seashells by the seashore. Yeah, no. My turn.
It's on the seashore. No.
My turn.
Listen.
No. No, it's my turn. Don't even.
Listen, she didn't even give me a chance to explain how it. Oh,
no.
What?
Babe, you don't think I've heard that before?
Yeah, see, she sells. She sells
seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
Ready?
Okay, go on.
Put your leg on my shoulder.
Which one?
This one.
See that? I do it in 5 seconds.
No, you didn't.
What? You
Put
said
your leg on my shoulder.
I did that.
Do it again.
You have to turn that way, right?
And it has to stay there. 1, 2.
What? I have to stay for 7 seconds?
Yeah, you do.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Go. Come on, let's see how. Let's see those Hermes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ow, my shoulder. All right.
What the hell was that? I didn't know we're doing a workout session.
You got some good hammies, baby.
All right, here we go. You have 7 seconds to spell your name using body gestures.
What?
Your 7 seconds starts now. You have to turn to the camera so they can see what you're doing. Come on, Jay. She's already at 10 seconds. Come, no, she'll have to do it. Come on, you want her to do it. You want to see her do it. All right, so she's gonna spell her name using body gestures within 7 seconds. Here we go. Your 7 seconds
but
starts.
They can't see my legs and stuff, babe.
That's okay. Turn. You have to put yours.
That's it. Jay,
listen, come.
I did it.
Your 7 seconds starts.
Come on, now. Babe. No. No, I already did it.
Listen. Jay. You?
Whose name are you spelling? Because it surely
No, I'm
is
trying
not.
to spell mine.
Oh.
All right, your turn. Your turn to go. She couldn't do that one, guys. She couldn't do that one. No.
Name 4 cities in Ontario. Go.
4 cities in Ontario?
7, 6,
Mississauga,
5,
Milton,
4, 3,
Oshawa,
2.
Brampton.
What do you know about Oshawa? What? Hang on. What? What do you know about Oshawa? That's what I want to know right now. What?
I don't know.
Babe.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
You see? The force is with me. It's getting too hard.
Let's go.
All right. So this is what we're gonna do, right? So now you know it's COVID and everybody's getting sick or whatever it is. But let's say, for example, somebody called 911, right? So what you're gonna do? Listen. What she's gonna do? She's gonna respond to a 911 medical emergency. Is that what it is? Yeah. So she's gonna respond to a 911 medical emergency. Go.
911. What's your emergency?
I have COVID.
Okay, so what are your symptoms?
Yeah, me want my symptoms. Say me have COVID. Everybody don't know what COVID symptom is.
What are your symptoms, sir?
Me sick. Okay, your turn. Go ahead.
All right, you ready?
We have like four more questions to go.
Make up a reggae song.
Make up a reggae song?
Yeah.
You are my baby, and me love you forever, forever. You are my lady.
Guys, hang on. Would you guys buy this song on iTunes?
You are the love of
Or
my heart, baby girl. Now you me love from the start, baby girl. Listen, that's my right. Like, listen, I don't have no time to prepare. You know, it's on the spot, right? I can be a reggae singer. You know,
did a good job.
I just need to get the vocals right. You know, I need some vocals or something. You know?
Baby, your vocals are there.
All right, here we're gonna go. We're gonna make it a little bit harder this time.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Name the original ethnic group that resided in the U.S. and Canada before Columbus.
What? Aboriginals.
Ooh. Is she correct?
Damn right I am.
Is she not?
I am correct.
Operation Google. Let's go. I don't know, but I'll check. Is she correct or is she not?
I'm correct.
Put it down in the comment section below.
I am correct.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, sure you are.
I'm 150% sure. My grandfather is Native Indian.
Ooh. Look at that.
You should know this, baby.
Oh yeah, but I don't.
Do 10 push-ups.
What?
Yeah.
What are you doing? That was the part of the game.
Do 10 push-ups. The real kind.
Like regular push-ups?
Yeah, you damn right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you just made it. I think.
What?
That's good.
What?
Listen, guys, he's been like doing push-ups for weeks on end.
Listen.
So that probably wasn't a good one to get him to do.
I did it. 10 push-ups.
Let's see if he did it in 7 seconds, though.
I did. Well, I did more than 7 seconds. All right, my turn. 2 more to go, guys. Here we go. Kings, queens, diamonds, and aces. How much is in a deck of cards each?
What? That's a stupid... Hang on a second. That's a stupid question. I don't think that's even the right question.
What the hell are you doing?
That's not the right question.
It is the right question.
No, it isn't.
So in a deck of cards, you have queens,
Yeah.
kings, spades, and aces. How much each are in a deck of cards?
There's 4 aces, there's 4 kings, there's 4 queens, and there is 14 spades.
How much diamonds?
You didn't ask me for diamonds.
I did say diamonds. See, listen
then there's
back to
14 diamonds too.
But she didn't do it in 7 seconds.
Yeah.
No, she didn't.
Ask me again.
I already did. You already prepped for it.
Put on 5 layers of clothing.
You ready for timing?
Yep.
Right?
3, 2, 1. No! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
What? She said to put them on. She didn't tell me where or how to put them on, so I put them on, right?
Baby.
What? Yeah, see? I have probably more than 7. See?
Hey.
See?
No.
See?
You can't cheat.
Well, I'm not cheating.
You are.
I'm just being ahead of the game.
Let's go. One more.
All right, one more. Here we go. This is going to be, I have 2. I need 2. All right. So this is my last one, okay? Now she has, let me check out my timer. She has 7 seconds to do a perfect braid of her hair. 7 seconds.
Wait.
7 seconds starts now. Perfect braid. Here we go. 3, 4, 5. Stop.
Babe, where'd you come up with these?
Guys, it didn't even last for a second.
He's a cheater.
It didn't even last for a second.
He's a cheater.
I'm not. All right, guys. That's it for this one. You know, another challenge, 7-second challenge. Always being the reigning champion. You know what I mean. We gotta do it. Team
Comment
Jules.
down below if you're
What?
Team Jules. Or
Of course,
Jen.
Team Jules in the building.
No,
We're killing it.
I think he came up with some really stupid, stupid things
Listen,
for me to
you're
do.
really calling my subscribers task stupid? Come on, guys. Like, put in the comment section below what you want me to tell her to do next in 7 seconds. And we're gonna see if she can do it. So as we say, guys, that's it for this one. You know, quick and fast, smooth and easy.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like this video. And again, I know Julius already thanked you guys, but
super
we're
appreciative.
super appreciative of like all the support that we're getting on our channel. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace and chicken grease. You started it, not me. Oh my God, baby, you did not just say that on the... Listen, we need to calm down, okay? We need to calm down. This video is getting out of control, okay? A lot of cutting to do,
let's
babe.
go. Let's go.
All right, you already have me do that one. Listen, cut. Listen, this is getting out of control.
For who?
Both of us. Me sick, me have COVID. Everybody know what COVID symptom is. Me have fever, me have cough.
That could be a flu symptom, sir.
Oh yeah, you have to walk your thing properly, you know, man. Chop. All right, 2 more, guys. Here we go. Stop looking at my phone now, man. Move on, going at my ears are peeping at my phone, so. Chop. I already have on 3, so I only need 2 more. Take it up.
Babe. He's a cheater.
I'm not. Coming. Your last question. So, as we say below.
I can do a lot in 7 seconds.
No, that's a challenge I'll take you up on.